Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. First of all, let me tell you, we started to learn English speaking from the first Sunday in January 2021. So, what did you learn until now? I know you learn how to introduce yourself in English, and again you learn how to tell your routine in simple English, isn't it? Okay. Now, today we are going to learn how to tell the daily routine of our brother, father, or sister, or mother. Okay. So, are you ready? Okay. But before beginning to learn that, we should remember a few things. Okay. The first thing to remember is we must use simple present tense. Which tense? Simple present tense. Then the second thing is we must use the third personal pronouns like he or she or it. These pronouns are singular. All these are singular third personal pronouns. And the third thing to remember is we must add es or s to the verb. For example, if we take the verb go, we should add es. Go becomes goes. Do, does. Get, gets. Come, comes. That means we have to add es or s to the given verb. Okay. So, let's get started by taking an example. Okay. So first of all, you can tell the name of your brother like this. The name of my brother is Anil. He wakes up early in the morning, but he gets up at about 6:30 a.m. and he brushes his teeth. He goes for a morning walk, or he does his morning exercise. He comes back and takes a wash. He takes a cup of tea with snacks. At around 9 a.m., he takes a bath and he puts on his clothes and prays to God. Then he prepares his school bag or college bag or office bag at about 11 a.m. At about 3 in the afternoon, he has his lunch. In the evening at about 5, he reaches home. He watches TV with all the family members, and at about 9 p.m., he takes dinner with us, and he goes to sleep at about 12 in the night. Okay, that's all about the daily routine of a brother. Did you get it? So, this is a very simple way to tell the daily routine of any brother. Okay. Now, here, I want to tell you one thing. So, I have observed that the students many times use they while speaking about father. Is it right? No, it's wrong. So, don't use they while speaking about your father, because they is a plural pronoun, and so instead we should use he. He is a singular pronoun, third personal singular pronoun. And while speaking about sister or mother, we should use the pronoun she and her. Okay, get it? Now, one more thing I want to share with you here is the important rule about adding es or s to the given verb. When to add es and when to add s. That's the confusion in the mind of many students. I have observed it many times. So, there's one golden rule for that, and that is after singular third personal pronoun in simple present tense, add es to the verb that ends in s, ss, sh, ch, z, o, and x. For example, go, goes, brush, brushes, watch, watches, toss, tosses. So if we look at all these verbs given here, go ends in go, brush ends in sh, watch ends in ch, and toss ends in double s. And that's why we have added es to all these verbs in simple present tense after the singular third personal pronoun. Okay. And we have to add s to the rest of the verbs like come, comes, sit, sits, speak, speaks, walk, walks, talk, talks, run, runs, etc. So, this is the golden rule that we should remember all the time while adding yes or yes to the given verb. Okay. So, that's the thing to remember, and you will always know where to add yes and where to add s. Okay. Now, I know you can write the daily routine of your brother or sister or mother and father. I hope you got all these things easily. Now, write the daily routine of your brother, sister, or mother or father in your daily notebooks. Will you? Okay. Thank you. Bye. And have a nice day.